Alrighty, so this is the screen portion of my code. Um, and from here, I'll show you what I have to do next. So I will go ahead and go to the table view, and I will go ahead and link this over. And I'll name it movie table. Alrighty, and once that's in, I can start creating my data. So I'll call this movie name, and we'll go into an array. And I'll go ahead and pull out your sheet so I don't have to think about movie names on the spot. Oh, it looks like I missed a comma somewhere. Oh, my mistake. Nope. There we go. Alrighty. So that array will be for the titles, and this array will be for the details of the cell. These will all be in string format, so I'm going to put them within the quotation marks. Okay. And once that in, I'm going to have to put the delegate and data source permissions in there. So I'll put movie table. And what this does is it recognizes itself as the party and gives it permissions to trust itself with the data. Because if the data was coming from a third party, you would use this as well, and then you'd have to use this function to ensure that you could trust that third-party source. And this one is going to trust us to be the data source of the information that we are passing through. So once that is done, we will then go to the view controller. Oops, what's going on here? Okay, this is a view controller, and go right in following, so that we have the correct permissions to allow data to be passed into this table. And I forgot a comma here. There we go. And then make sure we have the right protocol, I should say. This would be for the data source. There we go. And then we should see an error pop up. And what this error will do is will put us put methods to these protocols. And in these methods, we will be able to put in our arrays. So let's get to that. And what this will do is it'll count the number of rows in our table view. And then over here, we would input the information of our prototype cell, and it will reuse the information, not the information, the format there to copy over the other cells into the other places. And the code will go as such. I'm going to end the video right here just so that it's not over 10 minutes.